Hello, good evening mga kakel. Dito naman tayo sa barangay court ng barangay Balay TV. Another exciting game na naman ng TFC sa kalaban nila Tally Fighters. Yan, sayo ng ating team. Sana'y swertihin. Ayan ang kabilang team naman, nasa kabilang court. Sila. Ito ang Team TFC. Again, sayo ng ating Team TFC. Siyempre, itong manager. May amats na. Shout out! Mayora Monkey Woman! Ang manager ng TFC. Ilang team. Tally Fighters. Kulay green.
From Dubai.
First five.
Technical, improper uniform. Sablay ang technical free throw. Picture po, picture.
Bulabog ka lang. Nakapay pa.
Number 13. Laparan with the ball.
Kobe, dadala bola.
Number 29, Gito, Sablay. Number 23, Tumang Ropang number 12. Balik kay number 23, Tumang Ropang again. Backdoor play, Sablay, and a rebound, Gito. Sa gilid. Sablay, rebound by Gito, putback basket, 2 points. Tumang Ropang. And a steal right there. Number 41, Bakwal Sablay, rebound Mang Robang. Mang Robang, balik kay Mang Robang pa rin. Bola nakuha ni Gito. Pass to Bakwal. Waiting for his teammate.
Apo, madami mo dito. Lahat mo dito. Hindi lang po, galing Dubai.
Gito. No good.
Tanag nga po, isasabi ko rin yun.
Talamante.
Ilan po? Tagal naman matunaw na sala.
Number 23, air ball, nakuha ni Bakwal to Laparan.
Hindi na matutulaw.
Laparan.
Ano yung pressures?
Number 4, wala. Laparan, putback, basket. 4-0.
Ano talaga? Gabon! Sanag!
Mang Robang.
Shout out sa anak ng sa pader. Basta, shout out na sa anak ng
Shout out daw sa nakasandal sa pader.
Nakapabilis sa takbo.
Bola ng Tally Fighter.
Iwan.
Mang Robang.
Sanag!
Ball intercepted. Nakuha ni number 23. Basket, 2 points. Hularbar. Bakwal, waiting for his teammate. Shot clock down to 15. Good ball. Basket 2 points. Veterans move.
Parehas pa ng book yan.
Espinelli with the 2 points. Mangrobang. Backdoor play intercepted by Quinto. Pass to Bakwal. Bakwal to number 4. Basket 2 points.
Terence Kobe!
Talamante. Talamante 3 points. 8-5. Number 4 to Bakwal. Ginto. No good. Labaran. Putback. Basket. Mangrobang to Mangrobang. To another Mangrobang. No good. Here's Hularbar with a whistle. Fall downstairs. Number 24. Espinelli. Hularbar, extra pass, backdoor play, rejected. Basket 2 points by number 12. Mangrobang. Mangrobang accelerating to another Mangrobang. Sablay, rebound nila Paran. Pass to Kaindol. Bakwal, basket, 12-7, 5 minuto. Mangrobang, floater shot, wala. Ginto with the ball. Ginto, and there's a whistle foul. Number 13, Talamante. Timeout, Cali Fighters, 4 minutes and 42. Back to the ball game.
Oras na pare.
Ilang minuto pa, boss?
Mag-like and subscribe!
4 minutes and 41.
Ronald!
Basket 2 points. By Ginto. Mangrobang. Talamante airball. Save the ball. Here's Hularbar. And there's a whistle foul. Number 21. Davila for personal foul. Substitution. Ayan na daw, may ari na maya-maya. Simula. Sablay ang unang pukol. Second try. Basket. Split charity 14-8. Kendall, pass the ball. Bakwal. No good. Rebound. Hularbar. Pass break play. Intercepted by Kendall. Another steal. 2-on-1 situation. Mangrobang. Basket. A coast-to-coast drive. Pass the ball. And a whistle foul. Number 29, Ginto. Substitution.
Pasok pa lang mga halap agad.
Mangrobang. Tumula. Mula. Susubok. Airball. Pero 2 points. 14-12. Dadalawa ng kalamangan. 16-10. Rather, correction, 16-10. Anim na kalamangan ng TFC. Basket, 2 points. 16-12. Apat na kalamangan ng TFC.
Manalilian ng talibin.
Bakwad, pull up game. Sablay. Petero nabigla. Petero muli. Lampas naman. Yung una kulang. Lampas yung pangalawa. Eto na si Mula. Nagmamadali Mula. Hook shot rejected. Naplakan si Abdul Jabbar. Oras natin 1 minute and 50. Mula inbounding. Lumabas pa. Bola na kay Mang Robang. And a rebound. Bakwal. Fast break play. Petero. Bumaba daw kayo, sabi ni Petero. Foul. Number 12. Mang Robang. Basket by Ginto. 18-12, 1 minute 20. Hularbar. Tumula. Ayan. Illegal traveling. Substitution. 1 minuto. Wala ka pa daw passport.
Ayos lang yan, titing mo.
Number 13 with the ball. Sevilla. Tubakwal. Ginto. Shot clock winding down to 10. Ginto rejected. Fast break play. Here's Mang Robang. No good. Mula rejected. Same ball. 30 seconds. Substitution. Sayang nakabutin. 28 seconds. Mang Robang, no look back to Hularbar. Nakita ko si White Chocolate. Shot clock is off. 17 seconds. Basket 2 points. 12 seconds. Hularbar rejected. 5 seconds. Foul. Number 23. Isang segundo.
Isang segundo.
Pinamimigay sa lahat.
Pagpasok pa lang eh.
End of the first period. 2014 in favor of TFC. Labaran, swing the ball. Bakwal, Sablay, foul. Number 9, Mula. Substitution. Mang Robang in, Mang Robang out. Counter sub. Repagtita, substitution lang yun. Bakwal ang bounding. Basket, Dayong Ginto. Mang Robang with the ball. Pass to Hularbar. And a whistle foul. Number 9, Labaran. Timeout TFC. 59 seconds. Good game. First try, Sablay. Wala pa rin. Petero, wala. Rebound Talamante. Whistle. Foul number 20, Petero, pushing foul. Petero number 20, dalawa, 40 seconds. Basket by Talamante. Slowing down the tempo, Pakual. 20 seconds. Bakwal basket, shot clock is off. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the third period. 47-42 lamang na lima ang PFC. Bola ng PFC. Sevilla receives the ball. Sevilla sa clock 10. Put back by Kandoy. Basket. Mangrobang. To Mangrobang number 12. Slicing through the defense. Basket, 2 points. Kandoy with the ball. Double dribbling violation. 49-44. Mangrobang, balik kay Mangrobang. Number 5 to number 12. Attacking again. Same ball. Mangrobang number 18 from the top of the key. 3 points. Number 18. 49-47. Ginto to Sevilla. Balik kay Ginto. Ginto attacking in the middle. Basket, 2 points. 51-47. Mangrobang. The Mangrobang again. Another Mangrobang. Number 5, one dribble pull up, pasa palayon. Sevilla. Pass to Petero, waiting for his teammate. Petero number 16, basket. 53-47. Mangrobang. No good. Rebound by Mangrobang to Talamante. Talamante. 3 points. Basket by Petero number 20. 55-50. Mangrobang number 12. Basket count and a foul by number 04. Kandoy. Bonus shot for Mangrobang. Sablay, tabi ka ng bola, nakuha ni Mang Robang, wala. Ginto, winaniba. Pass to Kandoy. Sevilla, balik kay Kandoy. Same ball. Ginto sa ilalim. No good, rebound, hulang ba? Pass free play, Mang Robang. Open shot, basket. Time out PFC, 6 minutes and 5 seconds. PFC ball. Number 02, Tubakwal. Pedero. No good, rebound by Talamante, and there's a whistle, foul. Number 9, Laparan. Second team foul. Number 9, second personal foul. Mang Robang, number 5. Nine from long one, Sablay. Bakwal. Shot clock winding down. 12 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Bola na ng Valley Fighters. Mang Robang to another Mang Robang. Balik kay number 12. Shot clock at 15. Talamante. Substitution. Espinelli coming in, replacing Pedero. 4 minutes and 20, Buhay. To Espinelli. Bakwal. Laparang basket. 4 na minuto, Mang Robang. Hulay bar, balik kay Mang Robang. 15 on the shot clock. Mang Robang, Sablay, nakuha ng Spinelli. Pass break. Bakwal. Pick up pass, using the glass. Pull back by Bakwal, basket. Hular bar. Ball is good, still right there. Buhay. No good, another try basket. Time out, Valley Fighters. 3 minutes and 11. Back to the ball game.
54-61.
Like and subscribe.
Bola ng Valley Fighters. Mang Robang. Mang Robang, aatake, extra pass, Hular bar. Rejected. Laparan gets the ball. Espinelli. Basket, 2 points. May Bakwal. Talamante, and there's a whistle foul. Number 9, Laparan. 3 team fouls, third personal foul. Laparan. First try basket. Second try. Basket again, 2 for 2. 63-56. Buhay with the ball. To Espinelli. Shot clock down to 14. Back one short. Nakuha nila parang. Espinelli to the rebound their basket. 2 minutes and 10. Talamante. To Mangrobang. Mangrobang number 12. Wala. Same ball. Substitution. Last 2 minutes and a whistle. Ball number 41, Bakwal. 2 shots for Talamante. Bakwal, second personal foul. Basket. Second try. Basket again, 2 for 2. 65-58. Laparan to Espinelli. Swing the ball to Bakwal. Shot clock down to 14. Basket by Bakwal. 67-58. 1 minute and 35. Stay right there. Buhay to Espinelli sa gilid. Basket. 1 minute and 25. Talamante. No good. Rebound by Quinto. Kay Laparan. Buhay. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Shot clock down to 14. Dito, wala. 1 minuto. 10 to shoot. Bakwal basket. 45 seconds. Mula. Basket 2 points. 35 seconds. Buhay to Vito. 25 seconds. Shot clock 14. 20 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Air ball. 9 seconds. Concede. Final score 71-60. TFC win. Player of the game number 41, Bakwal.
Oh, papicture na kayo, papicture! Picture na kayo eh! Hoy! Kuya pa rin. Ay, nakakuha na kita.